In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and review your self-employment income and expenses in TurboTax. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the TurboTax website. Once you're there, sign into your account and wait for your return to load completely. If you have more than one tax return in progress, make sure you open the correct one before moving on. Taking a second to confirm that now can save time and prevent confusion later. After you're inside your return, look for the section called Income and Expenses. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of income you may need to report, along with related deductions. Go ahead and click into that section. Depending on the version of TurboTax you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the category names are usually very similar, so don't worry if the screen isn't identical. Next, find the option for self-employment income and expenses and select it. This area is specifically designed for freelancers, independent contractors, sole proprietors, and other people who report business activity on their personal tax return. If you earned money through your own business or side work, this is the section you'll want to review carefully. Once you open it, you'll be able to view or edit your business summary. This summary gives you a central place to check the income you entered, review your expenses, and make sure everything looks accurate. If you need to update any details, you can do that from here by opening the relevant business information and continuing through the prompts. An important thing to understand is that TurboTax automatically attaches Schedule C behind the scenes when you enter self-employment information in this section. That means you usually don't need to prepare that form manually. Instead, TurboTax uses the information from your business summary to generate the correct tax form for your return. This helps simplify the process and reduces the chance of missing something important. As you review your business summary, take your time and compare what's entered with your records so your numbers are complete and accurate. Even though TurboTax handles the form creation automatically, the accuracy of the final result still depends on the information you provide. That's all you need to do to access this part of your return and confirm that your self-employment details are in the right place.